Hi, I'm Daniel with CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I'm going to give you a rundown on what the ramp function is within your machine, how it operates, and how it helps you better sleep at night. The ramp time feature is a great feature for new users, helping users adapt to CPAP therapy by making it more comfortable to use your CPAP machine. It works by starting at a setting lower than the full therapy setting, which is often the most comfortable for new users, and then it gradually increases over a time period that you set. As the pressure slowly ramps up, you're better able to fall asleep. By the time the pressure reaches the target, you're sound asleep, and you won't notice the higher pressure. This can improve user comfort by making the sensation feel less intense. It's a great feature that can help make it easier to get used to your CPAP machine, helping you stick with your sleep therapy. And there you have it. That's what the ramp function is within your CPAP machine. I hope you found this video insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.